Irrecoverable money which cannot be recovered from the customer is called the bad debt. Total cost is 360 into credit period. Good morning, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Financial Management 6th semester Unit 2, Session 10 in favor of BCom that goes to credit policy. In the last session, we already discussed about the credit policy. In India, I already told so many times, in India, credit sales are more and cash sales are less. So at this position, about 90 to 95% are credit sale. Just only 5% or 10% may be cash sale. So if we do the number of days more, so it will be facilitate to get the more sale. But only point here from the seller point of view, the money was blacked somewhere. For a long period, money was blacked. So here the question is whether to give the number of days more to get the more sale or not. That is the criteria which we are going to discuss today. That's the credit policy. We'll move on to problem. Annual sale is 20 lakh. Existing collection period is 30 days. It is proposing more credit policy. Credit policy 1, 2, 3, 4. Increase in credit period 8 days. 30 become 38 days. Then your sale become 20 lakh, 20,000. Then if you give the 10 days, it becomes 20 lakh, 40,000. If you go with the 15 days, your sale becomes 20 lakh, 50,000. If you give 30 days, 30 means 60 days, it becomes 20 lakhs, 70,000. And regarding the percentage of bad debt is 3%, 4%, 6%, and 8%. It's only an imagination. It may be more or less. 3% on sale, 4% on sale, 6% on sale. Irrecoverable money which cannot be recovered from the customer is called the bad debt. We'll move on. The selling price is rupees 10. Average cost is 9. On that, variable cost is 8. So out of 10, the average cost is 9. 1 rupee is the profit. In which variable cost is 8 means 1 rupee is the fixed cost. Present bad debt is 1%. Required rate of return is 20% in a year, 360 days. We can assume that your average cost is equal to 9. In which variable cost is equal to 8. Difference is 1, which is considered fixed cost. So variable cost per unit remain constant, whereas fixed cost value remain constant. How it is? Variable cost per unit remain constant, fixed cost value remain constant. So we have to go with the working note now. Working note. Particulars existing credit policy 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's the existing number of days? 30. 30 days. Then increase by 8 days. 38 days. Then increase by 10 days. 40 days. So increase by third one, 15 days. 45 days. Then increase by 30 means 60 days. Sales in value. What's the sales value? Present 20 lakh. This goes to existing. Second one, increase by 20,000. 20 lakh, 20,000. Number two, 20 lakh 40,000. 20 lakh 50,000. Fourth one, 20 lakh 70,000. This is a sale. Number of units. What's your selling price? See that? Selling price is 10. 10 rupees per unit. So 20 lakh, 20 followed by 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 lakh divided by 10. So 2 lakh units. Number of units, 2 lakh. Then 20 lakh, 20,000 divided by 10. 2 lakh 2,000 units. Then 20 lakh 40,000 divided by 10. 2 lakh 4,000. 20 lakh 50,000 divided by 10. 2 lakh 5,000. 20 lakh 70,000 divided by 10. 2 lakh 7,000 units. These are all the units you got. Variable cost per unit. Variable cost per unit is, cost is named, which variable cost is 8 rupees. So 2 lakh into 8, 16 lakh. 2 lakh into 8, 16 lakh. 2 lakh 2,000 into 8, 16 lakh 16,000. 2 lakh 4,000 into 8, 16 lakh 32,000. 2 lakh 5,000 into 8, 16 lakh 40,000. 207 into 8, 16 lakh 56,000. This is your variable cost. Fixed cost, is it 1 rupee? 9, of which variable cost 8 means 1 rupee. So 2 lakh into 1 is 2 lakh. So remain constant. Then total cost, variable cost plus fixed cost, 16 plus 2, 18 lakh. 18 lakh 16,000. 18 lakh 32,000. 18 lakh 40,000. 18 lakh 56,000. Bad debts, existing 1%. 1% of 2 lakh, 20 lakh into 1 divided by 100, 20,000. 20 lakh 20 followed by 30 into, what's the percentage? 3% into 3 divided by 100, 60,600. Then 20 lakh 40,000 into, I think it is 4%. 4% into 4 divided by 100, 81,600. Then 20 lakh 50,000 into 6 divided by 100, 12 lakh 30,000. This is 2, 4, 6. Last one is 8. Sales is 20 lakh 70,000 into 8 divided by 100, 16 lakh 56,000. This is your bad debt. So these are all the working note. We'll put into format now. Your sales is existing 20 lakh. Policy number 1, 20 lakh 20,000. 20 lakh 20,000. Then increase by 20, 40, 40,000. 20 lakh 50,000. Last one, see that. 20 lakh 20, 20 lakh 70,000. This increase by 20,000, 40,000, 50, 70,000 minus variable cost. Variable cost 16 lakh. Second one, 16 lakh 16,000. 16 lakh 32,000. 16 lakh 40,000. First one, 16 lakh 16,000, 16 lakh 32,000, 16 lakh 40,000. Last one, 16 lakh 56,000. Deduct 20 lakh 16 lakh means 4 lakh contribution. This is 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 4 lakh 4,000. 20 lakh 40,000. 20 lakh 40,000. 20 lakh 40 followed by 30 minus 16 lakh 32,000. 4 lakh 8,000. Then 20 lakh 50,000 minus 16 lakh 40,000. 4 lakh 10,000. This is 0. Sorry. 4 lakh. How it will come down? 20 lakh 70,000 minus 16 lakh 56,000. 4 lakh 14,000, 4 lakh 14,000. This is your contribution. 4 lakh, 4 lakh 4,000, 4 lakh 10,000, 4 lakh 14,000. Then fixed cost 1 rupee means 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh, remain constant, 2 lakh, 2 lakh. Deduct profit is 2 lakh, 2 lakh 4,000, 2 lakh 8,000, 2 lakh 10,000, 2 lakh 14,000. This is your profit. Minus bad debt 20,000, 60,400, 20,000, 60,400, 81,600, 1 lakh 23,000, 23,000, then 20 lakh 70,000, 20 followed into 8 divided by 100, 1 lakh 65,600. This is 60,600, 20 lakh 20,000 into 3 divided by 100, 6 lakh 6,000, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, followed 20 lakh 40,000, 20 40 followed by 30 into 4 divided by 100, 81,600, 1 lakh 23,000, 1 lakh 65,600. This is your bad debt, 1 lakh 65,600. So 22 lakh 20,000 means 1 lakh 80,000. 2 lakh 4,000 minus 204, 1, 2, 3 minus 60,400, 1 lakh 43,600, 208, 000 minus 81,600, 1 lakh 26,400. So much is the bad debt. 2 lakh 10,000, 210, follow 2 lakh 10,000 minus 1 lakh 23,000, 87,000, 2 lakh 14,000 minus 1 lakh 65,000, 214, 000 minus 1 lakh 65,600, 48,400. Very low because bad debts are so much. Then total cost now, variable cost plus fixed cost, 16 plus 2, 18 lakh. Here 16 lakh 60 plus this one and this one, this one and this one. So 18 lakh 16,000 total cost. 16 lakh 32 plus 2 lakh, 18 lakh 32,000. Then 16 lakh 40,000. 2 lakh. 18 lakh 40,000. 16 lakh 56,000. 2 lakh. 18 lakh 56,000. This is a total cost. Then come back to return. Account total cost divided by 360 into credit period. Account receivable 30 days, 38 days, 40 days, 45 days, now your total cost is 18 lakh divided by 360 into 30 days. Then second one, your cost, total cost 18 lakh 16,000 divided by 360 into 38 days. 18 lakh 32,000. 18 lakh 32,000 divided by number of days in a year is 36. 360. Number of days 40. 18 lakh 40,000 divided by 360 into 45 days. Last one, 18 lakh 56,000 divided by 360 into 60 days. So 18 lakh 18 followed by 50 18040 divided by 360 into 30, 1,50,000. Then 18 lakh 16 divided by 360 into 38. It cannot be 1688 means 1,91,688. This is 18 lakh 32,000 divided by 360 into 40, 20, 35, 55 means 20,000, 1,91,688, 2 lakh 3,555, 18 lakh 40,000 divided by 360 into 45, 23. 23 lakh, 2 lakh, 1,91,000 season, 2 lakh, 2,23,000, 2 lakh 29,000, actually 2 lakh 29,000, 2 lakh 29,999, 2 lakh 29,999, or we can say 2 lakh. This is 2 lakh 29,999. Last one, 18 lakh 56,000 divided by 360 into 60, 3 lakh 9,333. This is 1,50,000, 1,91,688, 2,03,000, 2,29,000, 3 lakh. So we can write this returns. This is the, you got returns at 20% on this. 1,50,000, 15030 divided by 5, 30,000 returns. This is your B. 1,91,688, 38,338 your returns. This is 203,555 divided by 5, 40,711, 18 lakh 40,000, 1, 2, 3 divided by 360, 5,111 into 45, return 45,999 or 45,600. 45,600, 309, 333, 20%, 5, 61,867. These are all the returns we got, or we can write that. Here is 30,000 return, 38,338, 40,711, 45,600, all returns. Last one, 61,867. Then out of the A's profit, you have to deduct. Your profit is 1,80,000, 1,80,000 minus expected return just 30,000. 1,50,000 is the surplus. Then second one, your profit is 1,43,600 minus 38,338, 1,05,262. I will explain. Then policy 2, your profit 1,26,400 minus your expected return. This goes to first one. You are expecting 40,007, 1,26,400 minus 1,26,400 minus 40,711, 85,689. Then policy 3, what's your profit? 87,000 minus your expected return 45,600. So 41,400. Last one, your net profit is 48,400. expected return 6 minus 48,400 minus 61,867. 48,400 minus 61,867. This is minus figure 13,467 loss. So your surplus, so your expected return is so much less here, but you got an excess profit 1,05,000, 1,91,000. This is the profit you got. Which is the excess here? So existing is more here, no? But when compared to policy, policy 1 is acceptable. Or we can take the percentage if you want. 105,262 divided by 1,50,000 into 100. 70.17 percentage. Then 85,689 divided by 1,50,000 into 100. 57.13 percentage. 41,400. 41,400 divided by 1,50,000 into 100. 27.6 percentage. This is a loss. With a loss. So which is highest percentage? So policy 1 is acceptable. 1 is acceptable. Take the base of this, which is more. From the base, no, it is increase. So 70.17. Hope you understand a little bit calculation. Hope you understand. First, sales minus variable cost is contribution, minus fixed cost is profit, minus bad debt is the net profit. Total cost, variable cost plus fixed cost, return on this, expected return, account receivable, number of days into period into 20%, net out of the net profit that should be deducted. Whichever excess come that should be selected to the base. Hope you understand this. We'll have some more problems in the next end. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.